everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. And today I'm doing a layout about my stepson and daughter-in-law. You see their kids all the time, but not them as much. So I thought this would be a nice memory to preserve for their albums. They're on a date night at home here, thus the title of this eventually. So I mounted their photos on that blue floral paper. A lot of these papers are going to be darker, see lots of navies and purples. And so I decided I really wanted the paper that I was matting them on to be a little bit lighter and brighter. So that's from the Schmel Go Now Go collection. It's the hike paper. And I'm thinking my background paper is going to be on that ombre paper, which is from Schmel Sparkle City. It's the non-stop snapshot paper. And then I'm going to use that fireworks paper somehow. Not that there were fireworks that night, but it's not like July 4th or anything, but I just thought, nighttime, and I love the colors, that it really brought all the colors out in the two background papers there. So that paper is the Sparkle City Sparkle Sky paper, and I love that paper. Actually, I've used that to document fireworks before. And I do have a picture of one of my grandsons looking at fireworks, so I may have to use any offcuts or anything I have. So I am looking for a journaling card here. The story is here, by the way, they put the kids to bed and they have this awesome, that bottom photo is this awesome patio furniture that they have. It's a big old couch. It's so wonderful. And a nice table. And they made dinner together and had fresh flowers from their garden and just had a nice date at home after the children were in bed. That's why it's so dark. Still looking for a card here. Trying to figure out what I want to do. And eventually I settle on this 3x4 card from Ellie's Studio. And I like the fact that it has the red and the pink in it. So I'm pulling in the colors from that fireworks paper. In a story about no fireworks. I did think about using that, maybe some of that, the paper in the back there. That was a kind of a teal paper to kind of pull in some teal from the fireworks paper, but decided not to do it with the paper. The contrast felt a little bit too high. So I didn't ink any of my edges, so I'm coming back here with Memento Dewdrop. I've been using a lot of Schmel papers lately. She announced, probably at least a month ago when I'm voicing this over, that she is no longer going to be creating papers for American Crafts. And so it's not that I want to use it up because I want it out of my stash, but I want to use it up so I don't get tired of it. I want it to be in the books, not sitting in my stash unused, and eventually I fall out of love with it. So I did, when I saw these photos, thought of this Glow All Night sticker that I had, and that's kind of where this layout started. Sometimes you can be inspired by a product, and like something that would seem more minor on this layout, but it's not. I'm actually, really kind of using it to inspire the color choices of all the papers and all the other things on here. So that glow puffy sticker there is from the Schmel Sparkle City embossed puffy stickers. And then I have that speech bubble sticker. That's from the Glitter Girl sticker folder. And that says, "Love this." As does, the banner is also from that same sticker folder as well. The Glitter Girl sticker folder. And then eventually there's the camera. That is also from the Glitter Girl sticker folder. Then I have that kind of those puffy star stickers, or that puffy star sticker there. That's from the puffy stickers from Glitter Girl, or from Sparkle City. So I'm playing around here a little bit, rearranging that top cluster. I took the star sticker off of there, and I have this, I had put a bunch of Ellie Studio die cuts in the top there in colors that I thought would work with this, and that's red and it says My Happy Place. So I thought it did a nice job of pulling in some of the red or the pinky reds here, and that is their backyard. So that is their happy place. So I have that red star sticker now kind of at the top cluster, and then there's a purple one right on the top of the journaling card there. Kind of looking through to see what else I could possibly use. There's two things that are go on at the end that you'll see in the still shots. I'm going to use some just white star stickers from the Glitter Girl sticker folder again. They'll be kind of shiny pearlescent stickers. And then some glitter enamel dots from the Sparkle City enamel dot stickers. So I'd forgotten to use them. I had put them out so I could and just forgot to do it. So I added them after the camera was shut off. But you'll see that in the still shots. All right, so my title is going to be Date Night at Home, and I'm using these lovely, wonderful silver puffy glitter, or silver puffy alpha there. And that is from the Schmel Field Trip collection, the alphabet stickers from that collection. And they're just... they are delicious. If a sticker can be delicious, or an alpha can be delicious. But it's so pretty, and it's such a great size. That was my cat talking if you heard him. He's mad because I'm not petting him right now and he wants to be petted. I decided to pull some of that silver up in the top cluster because otherwise the at home would be the only silver on this layout. And just put the date, the year of the date, 2020, and then I'll just put the rest of the date up on that banner there. So now I'm trying to figure out what to use for the words date night, and those Fitzgerald stickers don't have enough of the letters. I'm looking at this. That came from the Sparkle City project pad, I believe. And I would have loved that blue because it would have pulled in some of the light blues in here. But I didn't have the right letters there. So then I go to this Aqua Foam Glitter Alpha, and that is from American Craft Stickers, and it's the Mermaid Stickers to get the words date night down here. And that pulls more of that lovely aqua color in. I don't have T's here, so I'm going to MacGyver T's out of F's. I did have an E though. So I just kind of cut the top off. I didn't love it because it really shortens that up quite a bit, but it's okay. I'd rather get the alpha used up than have the perfect letter there. And there we go. And I added that little hashtag up there to get some of that turquoise around into each of the clusters because I've got the turquoise camera plus the date night in the kind of that one on the far right. All right, so now I'm just playing around a little bit with these star stickers, and they're going around the title, the puffy stickers now. So I move the red one down. All right, guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.